VMU Institute of Technology, Chittoor District. Department of Mechanical Engineering.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. K. B.N. Rao, working as Professor and Head of the Department Mechanical Engineering at VMU Institute of Technology, P. Kotakota, Tirupati Chittoor Highway, Chittoor District. So I am here back to tell you about the importance of mechanical engineering. As most of you must be aware that mechanical engineering is the mother of all engineering branches. Without a mother, the existence of human beings is difficult. Similarly, without mechanical engineering, the world cannot survive. Mechanical engineering graduates are having wide range of employment opportunities ranging from government sector, private sector, general software, mechanical engineering related software, and prestigious public sector units and R&D organizations. So mechanical engineering makes use of the fundamentals of mathematics, science, physics to design, analyze, develop and manufacture various systems. So we at VMU Institute of Technology, we are having highly qualified and experienced faculty members. So 6 faculty members are there with PhD qualification and 4 more faculty members are going to get their PhD degrees maybe by the end of this year, and other faculty members are also qualified with MTech with minimum 5 years of experience. The students are developing the projects. We are helping them in all aspects as to how to develop a solution to the problem, and some of the projects have been exhibited in prestigious conferences, and our students are winning some prizes also in that, which is very much happy for me as a head of the department. So we are training them so not only as per the prescribed syllabus, over and above that we do have E-Yantra laboratory, so wherein the students are going to be trained in robotics. We do have CM's Skill Excellence Center and also DASO 3D Experience Center, so wherein we are making the students to work on CATIA, Delmia and Simulia. So the students of the department are also members of American Society of Mechanical Engineers, ISTE, Society of Automotive Engineers and so on. Not only making the students aware of the problems faced by the society and industry and how to give solutions to that, so we are making the students to become entrepreneurs also. And for those students who wish to go for a job, so we are offering placements also. So almost all the eligible students are getting placed in various MNCs. In fact, in the last year, 8 students got placed in Accenture, 1 student got placed in Contingent Technologies, 15 students got placed in Wonjin Auto Parts India Private Limited, 32 students got placed in Perfect Gears, and 15 students got placed in Dr. Axion India Private Limited, and 6 students got placed in Hoysang Electric India Private Limited. So almost all the eligible students are getting placed into reputed organizations. Department at VMU Institute of Technology, we are offering diploma course with an intake of 60, BTech course with an intake of 120 and MTech with an intake of 24 seats in machine design specialization. So please choose VMU for your better future. All the best.
Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Mahamani, Professor Mechanical Engineering and Dean Research and Development Cell. We are conducting the entire R&D activities for the whole college. The skills requirement for the students, so according to World Economic Forum 2025, the first skill is the creativity, innovativeness, problem solving, then another one the critical thinking ability. So all they put together in addition to job skill, so this skills also required for 2025. For fulfilling that particular skills development, we are functioning with Innovation Club. Through the Innovation Club, students will join and they will conduct a series of training. So training pattern will be, first we are giving awareness, training, then testing, then finally we are conducting innovation contest. So at the end of contest, students will create some product and they will go for display. So various contests, innovation contests to be held in various states, and some of the products we filed as a patent also. In overall, the WAMO IT, we have a plan to 360-degree skills development. So whatever skills for job requirement through training and placement, we will give all set of training. And the 2025 requirement, skill requirements also, we are fulfilling through the innovation skill. Definitely the students who are joining to our institution, so definitely they will be with all the job oriented skill, so easily they will get a placement. So we are looking for 100% placement from the eligible students. So this is our motto. Thank you.
I am Shrivani, pursuing 4th BTech in WAMO Institute of Technology. I am here to share with you all about training and placements in our department. In first year we have trained in communication and written skills. In second and pre-final year we have trained in aptitude, reasoning and mechanical engineering softwares like AutoCAD, CATIA and ANSYS. During the lockdown period also we have undergone through company specific trainings by experts from the nearby metropolitan cities. Thanking WAMO making us ready to serve the industry and the society.
I am E. Chandishwar from 4th year BTech Mechanical Engineering in WAMO Institute of Technology. I considered myself to be fortunate to become a student of WAMO Institute of Technology. Our department has highly qualified and experienced faculties. There are 6 doctorates. The faculty not only impart us necessary knowledge in the core engineering subjects, but also encourages, in addition to curriculum labs, we have CNC, Skill Excellence Center, AutoCAD, Robo Studio, Delmia and E-Yantra Lab, Dassault 3D Excellence Center,
Thermal Engineering Lab, CNC machine, CAD lab, heat transfer lab, material science lab, machine tools lab, manufacturing technology lab, staff room, classroom. WAMO is the best choice for your bright career.